i želim dobrodošlicu na ovom događaju.
Meni je jako drago da sam u ovom mjestu, jer GlowBrain je nekako kao nastavak onoga što smo Srećko i ja započeli prije 3-4 godine našim prvim zajedničkim projektom i studentima koji su gostovali kod mene.
It's really interesting also we know that inflammation has a gender component, so we can see that there is a difference that inflammatory astrocyte inflammatory signals are stronger in females, and this can be decreased by overreactivity.
Sljedeći naš predavač je Zaal Kokaia.
So there is another possibility added here that we can modulate the brain system just by on the expense of the endogenous or brain's own stem cells and generate new neurons, which will be involved probably in the recovery.
You said that after you differentiate the pluripotent cells into neurons and implant them into the brain, they do not develop cancer. I was wondering, how do you check if the neurons which are implanted into the brain don't contain any pluripotent cells which could develop cancers?
We don't, with this way, when you are pre-differentiating into the culture system, basically you are narrowing down its capacity to generate any other type of cells. And we have never seen any other than the neuron type of cells in the culture system, either after the transplantation.